Are you still having trouble dispensing the soap? With that little red button, are you giving up hope? There ought to be some way to lessen the pain. A lever is needed, and ThumbEase the name. With the wink of an eye and the tip of a hat, slip up and slide over, as simple as that. The holding and pressing no longer a chore, now ThumbEase has made it so easy to pour. There's more to be found in their big bag of tricks. There's a magic cup holder to join the fine mix. Snap into place, and with magical fame, you've changed the word laundry back into a game. So ThumbEase preserve us for showing the ways and making fine purses from laundry days.